Google Apps are a lot of different things, and they are many different things to many different organizations. For most small, mid-sized organizations, we're looking at using Gmail for email. We do document sharing. If you're really tied to Word and want to continue to use Word, you can put Word documents up in the cloud and share them amongst different people. You can have a listserv for your board where people are able to exchange emails and share files. But you also can use it for the actual creation of documents in Google Docs. You can have your spreadsheets there. You can have your Word file or Word documents there and work on them in the cloud as well. So you go to a library, you work at home, three staff of an organization maybe don't have a main office. They can meet at a coffee shop, get on their laptops, and work together in the same document. It has spell check, it has bold, it has fonts, it has, a lot of everything that most of us are looking for.